So hey guys, welcome to this session. In this session, I will try to cover 20 important dravya. It is from second year Dravya Gun, and you'll get a quick idea. These are just short notes made from each of the 20 dravyas with all their important things. So starting from Haritaki, the Latin name is Terminalia cebula. It is from Comridaceae family. Rasa is Pancharas except Lavan, and it is Kashaya dominant. Virya is Ushna, Vipak is Madhur, and Guna are Lagu and Ruksha. The karma it performs or it is used in are Tridoshagna, Rasayan, Anuloman, Deepan, and Medya. Uses in Arsh, Shot, Kushta, and Prameya. The second one which we have is Amalaki. The Latin name of Amalaki is Phyllanthus umbilica. It is from Euphorbiaceae family. It is Pancharasatmak except Lavan, and remember it is Amla dominated. Virya is Sheet, Vipak is Madhur, and the guna which it possesses are Guru, Ruksha, and Shita. Karma it does is Tridoshagna, Rasayan, Chakshushay, Chakshuya, and Hriday. Used in Rakta Pitta, Prameha, Pandu, and Daha. Third number of drug we have is Guduchi. The Latin name of it is Tinospora cordifolia. Family is Meniparvaceae, and Rasa is Tikta and Kashai. Its Virya is Ushna, Vipak is Madhur, and the guna which it possesses is Lagu and Snigdha. The karma which it is used in is Tridoshagna, Jwarahara, Rasayana, Deepan, and Dahahar. Used in Jwara, Prameha, Pandu, Kamala, and Vatarakta. Ashwagandha is next up. Latin name is Withania somnifera. It is from Solanaceae family. Rasa is Tiktakasha and Madhur. Virya is Ushna. Vipak is Madhur. And guna which it possesses are Lagu and Snigdha. The karma which it does is Balya, Rasayan, Vajikaran, Nidrajanan, and Shotahara. It is used in following Vyadis: Kshaya, Kasa, Shwasa, Shotha, and Vata Vyadi. Arjuna, the Latin name of Arjuna is Terminalia Arjuna. Family is Comridaceae. Rasa is Kashai. Virya is Sheet. Vipak is Katu. Lagu and Ruksha are guna which it possesses. The karma which it does is Hridaya, Rakta Shodhak, Stambhana, Vrana Rupan. Used in Hridarog, Rakta Pitta, Vrana, and Shotha. Next up we have is Brahmi. Brahmi is called as Bacopa moneri. It is from Scrofulariaceae family. Rasa is Tikta, Kasha, and Madhur. The Virya Brahmi has is Sheet, Vipak is Madhur, and Guna is Lagu. Its karma is performing Medya, Rasayana, Nidranjana, and Unmarda Dahara. Used in Apasarma, Unmad, Mansik Rog, and Kushta. Next up we have is Ashoka. Latin name is Sarka Asoka. Family is Caspilnaceae. And rasa which it possesses are Kasha and Tikta. Virya is Sheet, Vipak is Katu, and Guna are Lagu and Ruksha. The karma which it does is Stambhana, Garbhaksha Shodhak, and Yoni Dashahara. Used in Rakta Pradara, Asrikadara, Gulma, and Shodha. Next up we have is Bala. Latin name is Sita cordifolia. Family is Malvinaceae. Rasa is Madhura. Virya is Shita. Vipak is Madhura, and Guna are Snigdha and Pischila. The karma which it does is Balya, Brahmana, Rasayana, Vatashamak, and used in Vatavyadi, Shaya, Raktapitta, Dorbalya. Latin name of Bilva is Ageli marmelos. Family is Rutaceae. Rasa is Kasha and Tikta, and if Bilva is ripened, it is Madhur. In Ras, Virya is Ushna, Vipak is Katu, and guna which it possesses are Lagu and Ruksha. The karma which it does is Grahani, Deepan, and Sangharika if it is unripe, and Balya if it is ripe. Uses in Atisar, Pravahika, Grahani, Arsha. Dadim is also called as Dadim, and it is the Latin name is Punica granatum. Family is Lythraceae. Rasa is Madhur, Amla, and Kashai. Virya is Sheet, Ushna as per Samasharyas, and Vipak is Madhur. Guna is Lagu and Ruksha. Karma is Grahi, Deepana, Rochana, and Hriday. Used in Atisar, Aruchi, Trikshna, Agnimande. Next up we have is Eranda. It is called as Rhenisus communis. It is from Euphorbiaceae family. The rasa which it has is Madhura. Virya is Ushna. Vipak is Madhur. and guna which it possesses are snigdha, tikshna, and sukshma. Karma which it does is virechan, vedanasthapan, vatahara, shotahara, used in udavarta, anaha, gulma, shota, and amvat. Next up we have is Google. The Latin name is Commiphora mucul or Commiphora pigiti. Family is Bersiaceae. Rasa which it possesses is Tikta Katu Kashai. Virya is Ushna Katu Vipak. And Guna which it has is Laghu, Ruksha, Vishada, and Sukshma. The karma which it does is Medohara, Lekhana, Vedana Sthapana, Vata, Kapha, Shamaka, uses in Stolya, Medorog, Amvat, Vatarakta, and Vrana. Next up we have is Hingul. The Latin name is Ferula fotida. Family is Alpiaceae. The rasa which it has is Katu. Virya is Ushna. Vipak is Katu. And guna which it possesses are Tikshna, Snigdha, Sukshma, and Vayabi. Karma which it does is Dipan, Pachan, Vatuloman, Shula, Harani, Krimigna. Used in Ajirna, Anaha, Shula, Gulma, and Krimi. Next up we have is Haridra. Latin name is Sarcoma longa. Family is Zingiberaceae. Rasa is Tikta and Katu. Virya is Ushna. Vipak is Katu. Guna which it possesses is Lagu and Ruksha. Karma which it does is Kushtagna, Vranya, Vishagna, Vranaropan, Kafahara. Used in Kushtha, Prameha, Pandu, Vranashota. Jatifala. Jatifala, the Latin name is Mystica fragrans. It is from Mysticaceae family. Rasa is Katu and Tikta. Virya is Ushna. Vipak is Katu. The guna which it has is Lagu, Snigdha, and Tikshna. Karma which it does is Grahi, Deepan, Rochan, Nidranjana. Used in Atisar, Aruchi, Andaman, and Anidra. Next up we have is Kumari. It is called as aloe vera or aloe barbadenacea. Family is Liliaceae. Rasa is Tikta and Madhur. Virya is Sheet. Vipak is Katu. Guna which it possesses are Guru, Snigdha, Pischila. Karma which it does is Virachan, Vranya, Balya, Yakrita, Yakritu, Jaka, and used in Kamala, Gulma, Netrarog, Vrana, and Taha. Kantakari. Kantakari is called as Solanum xanthocarpus. Family is Solanaceae. Rasa which it possesses is Katu and Tikta. Virya is Ushna. Vipak is Katu. Guna is Lagu, Ruksha, and Tikshna. Karma is Kasahara, Shwasahara, Kafavatagna, Deepan. Uses are Kasha, Swas, Jwara, and Creamy Rogue. Ella is called cardamom. It is Elateria cardamom. Family is Zingiberaceae. Rasa which it possesses are Katu and Madhura. Virya is Sheet. Vipak is Madhur. Guna which it has is Lagu and Ruksha. Karma it is used for Deepan, Rochan, Trikshnahara, Hridaya, and Shwasahara. Uses in Aruchi, Chardi, Trikshna, Shwas, and Mukhadaurgandhya like rogues or conditions. Aragvad is the 19th one, and the Latin name is Casia fistula. Family is Cassipulinaceae. Rasa is Madhur, Virya is Sheet, Vipak is Madhur, and Guna which it possesses are Guru and Snigdha. Karma is used in Virachan, Kushtagna, Jwaragna, Pittashamak. Used in Kushta, Jwara, Vrana, and Visarpa Vyadis. Bhallatak. The last one we have is Bhallatak. Latin name is Semicarpus anacardium. Family is Anacardiaceae. Rasa is Katu, Tikta, and Madhur. Virya is Ushna. Vipak is Katu. Guna which it possesses are Snigdha, Tikshna, Vayavi, Vikasi. Karma it does is Rasayan, Deepan, Lekhan, Krimigna, Kushtagna. Uses in Kushta, Shota, Arsha, Krimi, Agnimande. Ati Ushna, yeah, Valladaki is Ati Ushna, needs some Shodhan before use. So, this was it from my end. You are quickly able to revise these drugs. It would be more beneficial for English students or all students, I don't know. So, yeah, thank you for watching.